Hey, I'm here with Stephanie of Cake Occasion. She is a baker.
Yes.
Would you say that?
Yes.
Yeah. That lives near here, and all of her stuff on social media is really excellent. So I thought, who better to do our Little Debbie wedding cake than her? In 2010, I was a stay-at-home dad in need of a creative outlet. Today, I'm YouTube's Volkswagen Bus guy and Arkansas's YouTuber. Busvlogger. Life. Hands-on. Will you tell us what was inside that cake and how you put it together and everything?
I took the Little Debbies on the outside as an inspiration for the flavor that was going to go on the inside. On
good.
2 of the tiers, we did the strawberry Swiss rolls. So
Yes.
it was vanilla cake on the inside with a strawberry filling. And then the middle tier, we took the chocolate Swiss rolls and we did a chocolate cake with the vanilla whipped frosting.
And it worked. Yeah, so we talked, like, a lot of the Little Debbie inspired wedding cakes we saw out there were just like Little Debbie's stacked up, which,
Yeah.
I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with that, because they do good stuff. But we thought we would be inspired by what Little Debbie's already doing. They've already done all the thought work, you know, what flavors go together and stuff. And I think that was executed really
Yes.
well.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I thought the Little Debbie wedding cake was perfect for, like, just a fun wedding, you know, especially if you're expecting to have a lot of kids, you know, it pleases
Good for
everybody.
kids. Great for kids.
Yeah. So, like, for a crowd that's got everybody, I think that's perfect.
Yes.
So y'all, please go look up Cake Occasion on social media. We've got a lot going on
Yes.
Instagram. I really
Yes.
like that one. And then, of course, I'm Busvlogger. But a big thank you to Little Debbie for providing our Little Debbies. And this is my last of my 6 months being their brand ambassador, and it's been a lot of fun. And I thought,
Go out with a bang.
this would be a great way to go out. Yeah. Well, thank you, Stephanie.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty.